Our coverage from the Los Angeles Auto Show continues on this Friday morning. I'm Jennifer Vaughn.
And I'm Tom Warbeck, and we will begin this morning with why driving still matters. An increasing number of automakers are spending lots of time and effort to develop fully autonomous vehicles. But Mazda wants drivers to keep their hands on the steering wheel and have fun doing it. Masahiro Moro is CEO of the company's North American operations.
We'll only create cars that require human drivers. Even if digitalization or electrification is widely implemented in the future, what will never change is the presence and impact of human emotion. This is why Mazda passionately believes in the emotional power of cars.
Now, that's not to say Mazda isn't offering driver assistance systems. The automaker unveiled its next-gen Mazda 3 here in LA. On the options list, a new driver monitoring system called iActiv-Sense. It watches the driver's eyelids and views the mouth and face angle to detect fatigue. The driver will hear an alert if the system detects drowsiness. By the way, Moro spoke at the NADA J.D. Power Auto Conference LA event.
This is the 2019 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid. It's the automaker's first plug-in hybrid vehicle. The Crosstrek Hybrid has an EV range of 17 miles and a total range of 480 miles when using both gasoline and electric power. It arrives in dealerships later this year. By the way, the Crosstrek has become Subaru's third best-selling model in the U.S. since the vehicle's debut 6 years ago.
Audi on Wednesday showing the e-tron GT concept. It's the next step in the marque's planned electric vehicle onslaught. The e-tron GT is a wide all-wheel drive performance sedan with a 90 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Audi says the car's range is roughly 250 miles on a single charge. The vehicle is expected to enter production in late 2020 and arrive in showrooms in 2021. And that's something Audi of America's new president, Mark Del Rosso, is quite proud of.
To make the statement that it's not just an idea, but it's a reality, following the e-tron to the e-tron Sportback in 2019, 2020 production of the e-tron GT, really it's thrilling, and I think it really puts an exclamation point on our commitment to premium electrification, and truly, electric has gone Audi.
He predicts that 30% of the brand's sales will be EVs by 2025. By the way, Audi says the e-tron GT can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds.
Meanwhile, Audi competitor Mercedes-Benz showing a speedy ride. This is the limited edition 2019 AMG GTR Pro. It has a redesigned front fascia that improves overall aerodynamics, and many exterior body panels are made from carbon fiber. And lightweight design wheels improve driving dynamics and faster lap times on the racetrack. Mercedes-Benz USA CEO Dietmar Exler discussed the importance of the automaker's AMG sub-brand.
There's always a big, segment of our customers who are really excited about driving performance cars. Yeah. And we've done extremely well with AMG over the last couple of years, with the sports models, with the big engines and everything. And with the GT, I had a chance to drive it recently, you're really getting into a category where it's just fun and enjoying, and that's really important, to build that DNA.
The GTR Pro can hit 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds.
And the Honda Insight was named Green Car Journal's 2019 Green Car of the Year at the show yesterday. The journal expanded the awards this year, adding 2 other categories, the Luxury Green Car of the Year and Green SUV of the Year. The Jaguar I-Pace and the Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid electric vehicle were awarded those titles respectively. This year's jurors included celebrity auto enthusiast Jay Leno.
And that'll wrap it up for us for now.
However, Weekend Drive from the Los Angeles Auto Show comes your way first thing on Saturday morning. Please join Mike Martinez and Larry Veliquette for a fun and informative show. You won't want to miss it.
Have a good one. Take care.